Hey yo, welcome to another episode of Sonda Sessions podcast. I am here with my two very most co-hosts in
Zooks_SK.
Detoxin.
and today we have a very special guest.
Yes, sir.
Chomi, could you please introduce yourself, Chomi?
Okay, my name is Asikona or Gata, but you can call me Makubevu. That is my favorite claim, guys.
Okay, Chomi.
Yeah, Makubevu.
Kup.
Guys.
Round of applause, guys. So, Chomi, could you please tell us,
Ngubani kahle kahle Makubevu?
ungubani, thingisa ntoni, wenza ntoni?
Dimasa Pizana, guys. Yeah.
Izana people up.
When you sent the upgrade of last year, I can't on school, so the Shalin Boko and Dentix. Yeah.
Blessers. Make rent.
Already, you just don't say that.
Hurry up like a whole suit.
My bad.
So when you ufuna ntoni?
Hospitality.
Hospitality.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Goodbye, nurse.
Ungayicali.
Yes, skip my head,
No, it's
No, I'm actually in the hospitality industry. That's what you call what I was doing. No, yeah, it's part of hospitality, yes. Yeah, so Nangom, yeah, Sugapa, Nangom.
What's your experience when you because
That's not that bad, bro. Okay, I got my what you call this thing? Some sort of internship from a guy that I met at school when I used to play sports in primary. So when I was in college, I used to play rugby and hockey. And hockey. I know him from hockey, so yeah. So yeah, you can call it like some sort of internship. So I decided not to go to varsity. Nah. Hey, I was in primary, dog. I was not this dude.
Okay, enough about today.
uzamchaza le hospitality ba intoni enzima phaya.
The very part of hospitality. Yonke into oyifundayo kumele uyazi, kumele ubambe, kumele ube yinto oyaziyo in general. So, if ufuna i-hospitality ayizifana, all the best.
Hospitality ushaya ukudla balwana le food poisoning yafela kwanje esikoleni.
Yeah, because if someone like allergic to
You need to know. Yeah. Now, I think it depends on which department you work at. Because if
any mistake as a chef.
that's not your problem. That's not you follow what the instructions you were told by the waiter. As a chef, if you flop, you flop. If you flop, well.
Futhi yakuphela futhi ayinto
I mean, you can't even. What's the most difficult meal you've ever experienced? What is that? Do you pass?
No, but it's something like cauliflower, then ndayilibala ke na
athina ama ingredients
hayi ngeke ungibuza ama ingredients ndayilibala ndiyathi
yiphiwa
Hey. Was it for vegetarians or something?
no, it's I think it's a vegetarian. No, I wouldn't say it's vegetarian. I think it was some sort of appetizer. If I remember properly, I think it was something like that. I'm not sure.
When what did you choose the hospital?
I don't know what time.
All things.
Guys, my time pain again.
There was.
And feel inside.
Umpo.
Kuba and the wiki.
Goma? I like your mask.
Inyama
Inyama.
inyama nje like le unayifo no
What?
I'm allergic.
Chicken
Beef or eat.
Chicken clap.
You're allergic to any animal that walks on 4 feet.
Yebo baba.
Ibizwa nto yazi negama lento.
Huh?
I don't know.
Xa ndiyitya funeka like ndibe nama-pills like
I'm like
allergic.
sacrifice.
So wena uthi beef uthi allergics. Beef uthi allergics.
Exactly.
I
I sacrifice.
Uthi xa kubrayile.
umecele
Wings obviously. Wings.
No, listen, chibumba.
Yo, you fry.
yo.
Chicken, yo. Chicken, eh? Chicken fry.
Yaforsa ndiphinde ndike nenatsika ne-allergies xa ndikhona.
then iba grand. I mean
Xa
usaphila.
ndingenayo yo andilali ebusuku.
Ikwenzani vele uyarhawuzelela phethwe sisisu.
Dumba yonke indawo.
Two.
Yeah. Khona enye imini ndayitya
Aha.
siya esikolweni. I think kungu-Saturday. Andinakanga ndilibele ukusela ii-pills. Yho! Ndiphethe incwadi esikolweni andirhawuzeleli guys apha ngaphambili.
Phambili.
Ndisithi
Kaloku phambili kunento ezi
ndiyifake incwadi apha ndirhawuzeleli.
That is king tomorrow.
Oh guys! Xa ndifika eklasini ndabengqonda uba andifocus kamna. Ndithanda subject. Ndathi mem ndiyafa bra.
Yo. Hayi
Ewe.
yabo.
Yonke indawo yovula ibona uba
So, probably like you in public. What's that? Not very right.
ndaye nathi ke na like ndafika phaa esikolweni ndacela umem ndabe nqoma vele kwale subject ayithandi. Ndathi umem ndiyafa ndathi ndiyazidlelisa khona. Like esikolweni sam isikolo isibhedlela iklinikhi. Ndifunda eBizana High School. Ndaqonda enantsikeni esibhedlela ndanika inantsika i-allergies. Yho, ndandisifa like yabona kwakunzima kakhulu ngaphambili.
If that was you, kuzoba njani mfethu?
I don't know, dog. I'll probably react the same way, though. I don't know.
Yo.
Oh, bra.
And I'm an African child.
Boy, I think I'm gonna use
Hey, Zico.
I couldn't cook it that in. I'm closer to you. China as a boy. So immune system is strong. Because of free COVID, I don't know.
Yafika mfethu yadlula azandi natsika.
Yandibamba kodwa but like azange ndicabe khwehlela bra ukhwehlele kude bengathi isifuba siyo guys.
But I feel like it was something staged, dog. Because
Yeah.
no, what you are from the new.
Stage in what sense?
No, like
I believe so.
No, about say Juba, like
Bayak.
yeah,
Yeah.
okay.
Knowing
Then
what they
get
have.
back
Knowing what they have.
Like
it's
nezo
good.
ngichaza mina ukuba like xa usithi uyajoga endabeni uhleli uba every week someone is dying. Uthi xa ujonga kwabantu obaziyo from like
Aba bantu aba like baphetheyo or amaphosa abanayo
Nah.
banazo sithi qaphela
Siyakhona nje bana.
hayi kodwa aba bantu like ba apha hayi guys no
Namjita bechate nokhona kange abula icorona.
kwasekudala
Vele cause akazi mfumane cause vele washona. So speaking of rap, bros.
Here's a pen.
Speaking of raps, we have another a ghost character who's behind the camera right now. And then to Swiper, bro. What is your rap name?
swiper, no swiping.
Swiper.
No
Swiper.
swiping.
swiping
That's not calculating it.
So strictly on Swiper.
Yeah.
Mm.
Why?
Nah, I just want to know.
Ngathi ikolo ngiyithetha.
La sishle sisonje no.
likhona elinye igama elalaziyo kangafuna ukudlala
Likhona yalazi.
alisho nguwe manje onolaziyo
Alitsho mfethu.
Kana ethe ngibani? Uswiper the fox?
Oh no.
Swiper, say, I swiper.
Uswiper the fox ngithatha yaphi?
uthetha ndiva lo elogama ngicimba athi udora the explorer
Speak of rapping, what about you? What is it? Because you also rap.
Guys.
ngawe
Now
You used to rap?
What is the name?
Iman.
You're rapping, what's the name?
Lecture man. Okay. Naningibala. But like that Zotina, okay. I-brothers zami like zine studio pha endlini. So like babendiforce ngiyocula le. Igama engalithiwa ichong yami kwakuthiwa ngubani kodwa white cash. Iman, ngicula like la.
White cash.
imali emhlophe
Ngicula like la party ye-rap esithina. Ulithi but anzayikhumbula lithi switch off the lights. I gotta put some disco lights. Turn off the bright. You know what? I don't pick a side. Cause when I rap, I'm vibing. I don't flex, I'm sexy. I don't
It's a ball right there.
Wow, my God. Come outside.
This is your boss, nigga.
I don't have any
So white
powers.
cash, please give us 360.
Guys, ishwaba ndifuna ukubona nje nani ngazora. Oh, guys, I record it.
Cash, it's not a
Nilapha
How
go.
did you start rapping?
Ah, damn. I started rapping. Okay, we were in terms of studio time. We were inspired by amanye amajita bebeshaya igqom, ne? Ababizwa nge-beat enforcement bebefunda emasex.
Shout out to enforcement.
Babizwa ngani manje beat enforcement
Beat enforcement, yeah.
so rizi zamkhumbula urizi
So one of the bros was related to one of the members of beat enforcement, which was Bando the Young God. So yeah, ubhuti wakhe / uncle yakhe umdala kuye wayeshaya umculo naye, so he got into the game, wasifaka nathi. No, Prince. Babembiza ubani? Gama lakhe Manelisi ke. Manelisi.
Ngifaka umculo boy.
Yeah, sifaka emculweni.
Na record this ngoma.
So he was Lil Wayne when I was Drake. Omunye Nicki Minaj.
You can say that besides Nicki Minaj. Besides Nicki.
Na record this ngoma.
Yeah, but we don't know where those songs ended up. We once did go
SoundCloud.
not SoundCloud. Deezer was one of them.
Audio Mac.
No, not Audio Mac. We're not affiliated with Marvel at that point.
The song still be.
I don't know. I feel like it is.
Mamela.
I'll need to get with my friends, Bubbles, but upload that.
I want to hear just one song.
I mean, that's bad for you. It was bad. No, it was bad. So how I got into the whole music scene? Okay, yeah. Sidikazile ukuthi sadibana nama beat enforcement guys. They had their own studio basifaka khona, and then we made our own studio. We had a few mics and the rap engine, the mango thing, FL Music,
Yeah. We loops.
FL Studio, sorry, yeah, Fruity Loops. So it's had recorder corner. We had a few members. We had Bando the Young God. We had we had OJ Laser.
Oh my God.
We had Bando. Did I count Bando the Young God?
Yeah.
We had Bando the Young God, OJ Laser, myself. They know me. I was Caterpillar. Okay. We also had
Spider-Man.
well, he's called DJ Carlood now.
Bani?
Usbabal Wesel.
Oh yeah.
Showcase. Yeah. But he had a name, bro. There was a funny name before.
Doga?
Trend. You know what's fun?
Yeah.
When I was in grade 8, not the end of the young car, he used to say, dog, just oh, you know, come on now. I'm fighting. So when I was
Coast right.
I was sure.
Boy, when they transitioned into Bomo, why didn't you like
At that point, bro, Ikom Gana I feel I was too much of a hip hop head. So Ikom so I feel I'm go sick figure OQ.
and if you call school or band with them, like how's a bike?
Yeah, he's not around in the coast, so but yeah, we should.
But why is called a young boy?
Unacho mangena fawa kubaba. Kanjani? Ichaze le.
Kaloku like banestudio apha endlini. Xa ngikufundekela so like bangicela bacela ngoba bayaxolisa ke. So nami kuba ngithanda Nicki Minaj.
Now filmbala.
Hey man, lyric kanti Nicki Minaj yayazi.
Kanena abalandeli beNicki Minaj bautha bazintoni? Mabhobby.
Kaloku ngaqala ngokwenza izinto laphuma.
Yeah.
Umreplace nabantu ke ngoku Nicki Minaj.
Angithandi hip hop ngoku sengithanda i-R&B. Ngale kuba ke basekwehla ever since kwathola kwachata nomuntu oyi
Okay, mbuzo. Why is what doing rap?
Ilento kana Nicki Minaj kaloku.
So you like Nicki Minaj
Yeah.
specifically?
Angasamthanda kakhulu kuba lo kusekhona lo.
Manicho wena. Owakho umculo.
Utheni?
Awuye.
Hayi bo, awufana uma ngisi like that fisha umculo qha.
Leave athanga uphinde.
Ibada yami ilento sana ifona ngazithinta. Ibada yami ayanda bekule kunentisha
Ima wait, ifuna kuzithinta unengoma lapha?
no nayo qala like benza kubonisa ibada yami lenzi yakufaka. And go like sine album yakhe 2020 yabo. Wayengicelile bacela ngibe khona kule album yokuthena jonga bra. So ke inxayi ndabe ngqondo.
Awuphinde.
Yena yo.
Ingoma yona isakhona. Isakhona ingoma.
Andinayo.
But umbuzo uthi ingoma isakhona na?
Guys, go.
Singayifumana lapha ingoma?
Manje usethi why
Ngizonithumelela thing like page. Okanye cuts Instagram.
Ujonga fast. White cash.
Benge.
I look I'm in.
Abo ngiyambiza futhi la.
I'm better feature present proper now.
Something is
No
coming.
shy freestyle food.
Man.
That's all.
Because we have 3 rappers right here.
Producer.
I don't rap anymore, bro.
So now it's 4.
That's
4 rappers.
Mamele guys.
Mapana ngeke umculweni kodwa.
Awes mangeke attitude.
What's that? Oh yeah.
Anolunga mama. Anolunga.
I think it's still would do R&B. Wait, R&B please. That's what I'm saying. But you do what you like.
Yeah. I never and then
Akho umuntu omcabangayo.
Yeah.
especially as a time.
You are Have you guys ever listened to Four?
Yo! Oh, I know uhleze send. Oh, I know uhleze had broken.
Bro, Dani mamela vethu. Ndingaqala ukujola yabo.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
Why not?
Braz. Okay, isn't but like who's that artist you listen to like
For me, strictly, I don't listen to music. Bras, I don't listen to music. When I'm sad, when I'm relating to something, ingoma vethu relate ko vile fika vethu ungalindelanga. Yabo secha yashafisha playlist yakho. For us ingoma vethu
Drake, bro.
Nah, I'd rather play Drake more than other artists. Not the sad songs like Abo Cameras, Abo. I'll listen to Abo headlines, la Abo. Not a Crew Love, nah, not those type of songs.
Oh,
I'm
and
feeling
I'll
some type of way.
when I post it, which artist do you listen to? Or you did you listen to?
When I'm saying,
Yeah.
I was Java.
Oh shit, how can I forget about this Java, bro?
When I told
Shit.
Mina? Yes. Okay. Summer Walker, Jenny Aiko.
for me, then toxic my Eminem.
What's up?
I'll toxic. I'm doing my man.
Which song would you say?
I listen to like Kamikaze.
Yeah.
I listen to it. And,
Kamikaze is the label, isn't it?
Nah, music murdered by.
Oh, that's yeah, okay.
Nah, music murdered by. I will come my man up to farewell. The album used farewell and
Oh, Farewell is a dope song. Yo.
Ilibele, but I used to listen to farewell. Farewell is toxic.
Nyansi. Nakala kona intro bese.
The intro nje iqala khona.
What about you?
Specifically, take
Oh,
care.
drag it.
The album.
Take care.
I listen to Take Care.
Take Care.
I've heard about you. They told me this, but my mind didn't change. I also was saying,
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Speaking about relationship, Chum, what's your worst dating experience? Tell them a worst.
Oh, guys.
You don't have to drop names.
Yeah.
I mean, you can. You're gonna bleep it.
I just want to know. Just want to know, yeah.
Ngigqibezela apha noba like ngidla le ngoma.
No,
Yeah, okay.
Subele ngomeni.
Okay, man.
So buyela kwisong.
Nithini ya? Andisazi isilungu. Open. Kuthiwa.
Your worst dating experience. Ujolo nje lawo benza khona. The guy was toxic.
Okanye wena.
Yeah.
Option. Asazi phela.
Isn't right to me?
So we say
Hey, what? Okay.
So was a grand.
Ayikho umuntu othi ngeke ngiphinde ndibuyele kulo muntu because wandenza kanje.
Okay, okay, it's fine.
Khomba ba.
Okay, bam, lo bengijala naye. Like, abafuni bangisele, abafuni bangithini.
Ya controller ne.
Yazilawula.
So that's the only problem with oil and those you face a lot. Boy, you control.
Ewe, like, funeka ngisele xa ndazi uba akekho around apha ndihlala khona.
Yeba kahle kahle.
Yeba.
Nivuma njani into kulawula?
Sorry, okay.
It's fine.
Wena boy wala ule wena boy.
I think like it depends on the news.
Yeah.
Ngabona ndawulayo.
So you've never had
Go straight boy.
Azumala kwanza. But straight sometimes no.
Uvumela kwanza.
Siye intombazane ihambe kwamanye ama-right.
Akahambe.
Inqala bethu ukuba straight bra.
Ne boundaries zami.
Yeah.
Ewa lo ya.
Ofika umuntu asithi like anjola noma nxiba isigqebhe fine bra. Kodwa yena ufuna aba abenxiba isigqebhe. Fine. Hey, like serious child.
Oh, ngiyavuma yo. Hey, ngiyavuma.
Ngithatha ngotywala uba akafuni bandisele akafuni nje uba yabo.
Abantu busela kangaphi ke?
Mna guys.
Sabo buyi problem nyani.
And your problem ne. Alisho mzami yozikaka zezinto zabantu enanibazi but bayancika. Happy birthday!
Come through. Nah, come through. Come through.
So look, guys, Usixwebo uposta wathi happy birthday Nkam. I'm like,
What?
yeah, see. Serious.
Shows are in the background. Birthday boy.
What up, guys? On your screen, it's Mr. Hectic. What it do? We're cooking another episode. Let's go.
Yeah, happy birthday, my dog.
Amakeka maningi.
You can give people the cake.
You. Open it. I heard that.
Uvelo so. Hayi man too. Where were we guys? This thing is fun.
You didn't ask her best.
Yeah, first.
Always.
Best one.
The first one, yes, bangayiphi
Mhm.
ne? Because game like doing long to catch up fast. Leave. And I hate it.
How fast is
times?
How fast is fast?
I'm begging.
Yo.
Guys. Okay.
Yeah.
Like,
Charge you.
That's like about like ding long to ungafuni a private. And the phone a private.
Livela kama chetu.
Again,
Akafuna Lena ngicela uJames zakhe.
wakho kuphela yabo.
why?
Because
I'm talking to the viewers, man.
Yes.
Oh, team.
Oh, he thought I was talking. He's guilty.
Why turn it public?
Because like if na why like one number like by cheater ne kwaziba ngokabani bra bilonga kum
But I can't remember noma ngakwazi awaqini ukuthi anje noma
amanye kodwa bra aya like
Yeah.
guys okay
Bawona amantombazana
Yeah,
toxic. Ubone xa kushare omunye umjeda afike athi ikhona inja kodwa ayilungi.
Yo. Igate value in the street.
manje ngeke ngishaye intombi yakho.
Oh, bra.
Dangerous.
Besenza lo like
igwala mna yo guys igwala kakhulu.
So when do you prefer the relationship public or private?
I don't know.
For me, I prefer private.
Right, guys.
Because they can't remember private. I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm a public but okay, if let's say they're posted, I need Facebook. You are so
Yeah.
so we let go.
Like-
You posting ngalo post isandla sakhe
Yes.
okanye post wena
Yes.
exactly.
Okay, got you.
What the hell is she saying?
I don't know what she is. Now private.
Now time is
If you're not eating my head,
You've never found out.
I don't.
Kunjani find out?
Guys, okay. Last year, ne?
Damn.
Like 29 of November. Let's lie.
Very close to the next year.
Anniversary yeza maphela.
Okay. Sasinento like after matric basi saqubhala nonke lonto leyo. Mala ke siya April 24 celebration lonto.
As it's called.
No,
As
it's
a
like
chom.
abantu abeyisithupha.
Okay.
So kana ichom okay ngiyizobaqala. Oh fuck. Kana ichom from Durban ne. Basihlala khona. Basendlini. Ejobe. Okay. So girl ne akabazi ne abachomi bami aba like yabo aba la eBizana eBizana not apha eMarket.
Yeah.
So ke ngoku kodwa ke kuthi imali vele bakuwa nje ke yonke lento le. It's fine. Asazange baku like apha kuza abafana yabona like no guy wami uyeza but andazi.
The boys are delicious.
Bafana abatontoni. Okay. So ke
Ngiyazi.
So guys, again,
Let me cook.
Saya vele pha guys, like Indlo it was nice because it was nice. Indlo yapha like inhle ngathi ngizothi like it's a mansion kahle. It's a mansion eh?
Wena kangumxeleli bona pha.
Uyazi ne caba ichomi zakhe zithi zifuna ukobina. Yabo caba ugayini uthi uyaya because ufuna ukuvikela igirlfriend yakhe. Guys ngalinxuleni iqala yena manje. Bless you guys, mami like but like it be mention like guys yo in the glasses mention hi guys isahamba kwafika omnye guy ungathi uli ezothi licolored indiyasha I don't know what the fuck like wasinika I straightens pink
It's a cheap guy.
andisasuzo sindana
Abayo niyabiza.
andazi bugayi uyeza safika vele kule destination then sahlala ke yabo asithi ekamani bexesha ibona abantu befika yebo ndithayebo lo abethe akasaseli la ebethe kum akasaseli ichomi yami ne kuba ke ayazi into apha ne ngathi if like isikhetha indlu ucela uzube nami because andifuni ngathi mhlawumbe ndini yabo wavuma okay bayochama ugeli waphika indlu nomunye ugeli apha kwaba ndithemba nomuntu lo aphina anjikele yabo ugeli ke yabaza abantu baseDurban Durban okay Durban aye guys ke iqomba ingxaki yo jealous even kuThomi jealous andizange umuntu njani
Why?
yena ndiphatha kuhle ne ndaxolela ezijomi zami ezinye bayo umbali wa
It's fine. So clip.
umbali tontontonton yokutheni yabo
Awusuyiphilika pha.
Come on, kids. So clip.
ichomi yami wayilekenza kanje tonton so ndaphina futhi naye ndamxelela babe brawutheni lekwenza kanje tonton wabe enza ama excuses ba bendiyo toilet tonton okay it's fine hey brazo kwashaya late nesamile ndishibapha benza ipunch
Ish.
andiseli neyipunch andano ndayisela kanjani bra khona like
Oh, we sell, but we sell it.
It's threatens bra esipink nesiblue like bluish yabo athi kodwa nana uyifotho nana uyintoni Asho bese fruits. Excuse me.
Akazalungi into nephathi.
Listen, guys, iphaya ne okay izinto ne danzolala nomntwana apha phezulu ne.
Lala kanjani?
Na ayolala anangothi si. Ulala simbola kakhulu. It's like sleeping. Okay, but me like ngiqondisa ubukhona yo nginqaba vele iligeza ke umuntu ke oqayisela.
So umbalo ligeza.
I-boyfriend yami ne.
Okay.
Is like yabona ayinqondi ngoba mhlambe like uthi xayiselile ne anjana kakhulu benabona bravo futhi ubona nje yonke lo bravo okay it's fine nisele afika phokotofu intonto nje kwabethi ixesha ne ndicela nibuze bana la
Ulale mthombo.
buzani nonke guys buzani oh lale alana story kukhona izinto ingxolo iphansi niyeva iphansi hayi ke andithi bra umfana wami usimesha nentombazane apha bra
Ima wait, whoa. So when ulele
bayafunana bra like yeva uve bra ulele no mntaziwani smashing
right in front of you.
yakutshela mina
Hayi phambi kwakho.
hayi umfana yeza
Ima, so
hey bra
So hey, there's no time, baba. So you're trying to tell me when ulele
yes
umtshida wakho
yeva
uke enye cherry phambi kwakho
Hey.
Nico.
I'm telling you. September no bunzima ukove bra ufuna you are streaming or something but level.
So when I
I'm back to logo. Ilele kwibed nazo zibed noma intoni ukhona izibra kuze store room.
ekuseni uvuke unjani wena?
Jobless bafakwe nguye.
Amelanga lo.
Balala.
Andisithi zesijomzami sana ezinye za omnye wazo. It's all better. It's fine. Okay, ekseni. Brian to yazi mina guys. Ekuseni ndiyavuka ne libele vele. Hey. Libele. Okay. Everything nashame. Okay. Andingayitsho le enye. It's fine. Andingayitsho.
Libambe nje.
Libele.
Ngithingiswa kambi yazi.
Ekseni ke ne cabange uzothina umnikazi like we apartment akazi nix but abafana babayeza apha onto
Sure.
hayi ke mfana ke ngitshela ukuthi ke ogayi caba akungusimesh nje endlini yezwa bavala ngamacephe akhona agobile
It's fine if you wait. No, let's say it's from Okay, my bad. Qhubeka Chom.
Okay, so umnikazi wendlu akazi ba ukhona abafana apha and wazi ba i-girls ezilapha zingaphansi kwa-14.
Oh my.
That's what
Wait.
No, like it's like
Nah,
inamba yakho. Yes. Okay, listen guys. I can alithi ndisebuzulile bobuthongo.
Yeah.
Ngo-5 sesiyakhwazela. Okay. Abekuthiwa asihambe siya elwandle like I was wearing my short dress ke be sexy like it was umqolo into.
Sure.
Pholeni andithi kuyakhwaza baqabana like no master like nomnikazi wendlu but kuyakhwazwa yeah bazi guys ibizala ngobuhlobo ongela noDavini
Kompondeni.
Bathi lesisi bazomkhwitsha ndiyabona nje bra uthi yobulawa lamafestile akhe kwenzekani apha usisi ke cabanga ngcono uba hayibo abafana bafana nabo kuyaliwa bra ekuseni ngo-5 like kunceda kwakusehlokeni nge because kwakusekhanya ndishiba bras okumntu wayilambe ngaphezulu lambe ngaphezulu kwasa ulambile eya engayokulamba ukuve wokulanjiwe saxoshwa endlini ngo-7 sakhutshelwa impahla zethu sahlaliswa ngaphandle akushushu ndinxibe ilokhi but andishushu guys kwaliwa apho okay ekhaya ke okay le ndawo le kamsusi ekhaya ke like monthly ndanikwa imali wele makazana nemali monthly so like bayibona uba le mali ifakiwe yabo makazi akazi ba andise like selivalile esikoleni so ke bala nje bapha kwafika amabhulu amapolisa sesoboshwa nithini nina sesoboshwa because of guys okay ikhona imida abandiyibalisa yonke le
Uzenayo
Qhubeka nayo.
sesimamele
Story
story time.
Excuse me.
I think like look it's a lesbianish. I think like Namaz who lesbian nje onemali pha ephezulu. I think like Namaz
Wait, just say Mazi.
Facebook.
And Mazi.
And ambamba.
Okay guys, okay. Asikene ngicela ikhadi lendawo. Right.
Overthink sleep again. Say so.
Okay, like ngisuse ke. Into yayi-one khawuba ithombe zizikaka zabantu. Okay guys, okay, it's fine. Bathuka ke like lo sisivele ke ne. Bayazi bala dine imali ke manje mawazi imfeke. So ke guys, yeah, baxabana. Abelungu bafuna uba babhatale kulo sisi. Bandicenga bra imali amkosi yamahamba.
Uthaphatala malini?
Because kaloku okay kwathiwa makubhatala ifund noma yifine noma yes ye-500 rand. Isho ukuthi ngiyayikhupha imali nika mfethu. Yeah? Imoto bras yikho ne abanye baboshwa like imoto yathathwa ngamapolisi because bencinci ezitenti zakhona imoto ziqhayo
on the floor.
sana bela jijebo
Mabele.
kaloku aya there's no one buying
Competent girls so long.
okay it's fine ke sana tsikali sasa
Kubekeni machini.
Siyaqhubeka.
when I need ghosts oh yeah
Yeah, kubeka.
okay ngicela mina ngiveze ndawo let's just if niveze sasa pia nibuye ngci
Uzokulipa amagama.
Amagama flip.
imali bazoyibona
Hayi kaloku.
Igama into engekivakala.
okay so ke
Lento benze isho usindele uzongela kanjani.
la bayokhupha imali ke abantu
Okay.
I'm out ngicela ukuhamba ndafonela umalume ngicela ungifake i-115 problem enjani awe faka umalume nkosi yami ndahamba ugayi wami jongani shalathi malume
Present uncles out there.
listen yeah guys okay
Present
akubeni jongani ekubeni before siye phayana umbali ndandibolekile ofuliyazi bake ukubolekisana urongo ndandibolekile ichomi omnye umntwana wayekwimethod dance i-frontal yami
Joby, could you please restrict name calling?
Dayela
Calling.
Don't mention surname, please. Mention first names, not surname.
ezabani
Like umbali right.
Alright.
Ngathi mbali ngamaso kwayimbali bani.
oh okay sakaze like nombali nimkhanda because
We got you.
if aniyenzani boy ask brazana December like
Sizokulela Joby.
ukula guys
With who?
listen okay guys okay listen oh
Uthe ubani?
malume malume ke wami igama ngisho mosuthiwa chief okay wangifaka nyani imali ke nishiba iphone gathandi yazi nakangaka nishiba layihambi awenze nithi nisuka phasa sikhona nisiya estopini etown no ngenyawo bra isuitcase ubone le xa nihamba ubona uzozithanda ngiphatha isuitcase very cute sendirhuja lana le suitcase yama inyawo andihambi bo ayike ngani guys ke ayokhwela ndishiba ke umfana wami ulapha nithi xa ndifike nini xa ndimfonela ngiblokiwe
Blokiwe.
Come to the topic. Come to the
Listen.
topic.
Can I just say something?
oh
Ublokiwe yena but nguye ochithile
Ochithelwe.
ochithele
Bamkele. Bamkele.
phambi kwakhe.
Beka msikipisi imali. Akho.
Man, amanye
guys.
evil.
listen imali ngicela ukuthi sonujali do not judge a book by its cover don't can you guys listen man okay well listen we don't judge listen guys okay oh before siye like lento le yaboleka ugeli ke iluzana yami ngiviyana
Okay.
ngicela ke my friend bacela akhaphe Ngibuleka lo myself comedic dance. Ngibuleka. Ifunda listen. Not yena. Ngapha ke my friend lo wami. Siyawalka vela akude think it's 40 minutes njengoba sifuna walk saya pha ndozini phambi untomazana.
Yeah.
Okay. Xa sibuya futhi sibuya ngenyawo ne. Kwama enye imoto umntata John yabo angenje ubhuti ngutata. Yacaba ke uzincwase ngami lo tata. Kodwa bra. Mamelani. Hayike ugeli bra like she's from Durban. Yabazi most abantu base Durban neJobe.
Yeah.
Athi hayi bra asakhona ilanto kuba efuna ilift.
Yeah.
Base asuse pa asependle.
Okay.
Asinamali kuba sisi yebo
Ngicabela.
Anyani ke sivume ke guys. Ngathi bajaja. Anyani athi like masikhwele anyani sikhwele ubhuti abantu utata not ubhuti utata acela inamba yami listen iqonda yo asoze guys asoze mntana bamntutata ilift umbali kaloku ungasem
Oh.
Ayike ugeli ke from Durban uyabazi abantu base Durban neJoburg ayike eThekwini Skibele phela athi maskibele athi maskibele ugela yesingeneke shem awusevele kuba kude endlini
Imoto enjani?
Izothini ilanto kazi i-Ford like lenkulu
Ford Range.
4x4 Skibele vele khona ke
bayawazi mana baphethe amantombazana.
yes dlala imali yazi guys ayibondoka
Yasebhizana ke yase NPS.
listen
Ukhona number plate za?
mani isi
Ikhona la.
I suppose you call it in the town.
Kani meni lihambe ixesha
Okay.
yaba baqhubana nathi yaqoka listen okay nathi ke ayisikhwele ubhuti abantu ubani ucabela kutsema umbazi ufugela baba banani nathi kabe ngitsema
Brasha nokushoni brasha.
ucasile hayi
Ufuna qhuthi
Jomi yakhe isela uthi
Angimnike
ngeke.
inaba
ufuna qhuthi imali.
imnike inaba ngoba vele mina ngiyazi xa ninamba ngicela kufuna ngifuni
Block.
hayi ke ugeli ke base ndihambile phakula kodwa ntontoni phakula nosasikuyo bahleke bethetha ngami bebanga I have blessers listen I have blessers ntoni anifanelanga mfana wena makayocheck i-HIV i-best friend yam from grade 6 till grade 12
Cinderella uzayinciba yazazi.
ne mtsheni usho kanjalo uthi makayocheck i-HIV ugayi wami yiko nje okay bandiblocker i-girls kwifoni kagayi wami ngifonela by 4 bamblock
Hey man,
nalo owatyana naye ngalamini naye still like bandiblocker guys
hey man.
andifonela
Wenzeka ntoni? Into yini?
andifonela ugayi hayi akayibambi bafowune kuthiwa hlukana nobaba ngithi ugayi
Baxelela wena.
I'm telling you
Hayibo.
so ke guys ke yaphela kanjalo i-friendship ichobi anisafuni angigila fani
By 4 people.
kwathiwa mina I have blessers ngenxa yoba ugeli lo nguye othe mandifuna intombazana yam pha inapha yabe ndiceva utata so wayibala ke nayo uba I have blessers
Mana
Ubuza ke mna. Since umbiza ngeblesser, uhamba ngeFord Ranger. Unangaphi lo mntu xa ucinga?
yombe mdala wakho watata utata like umama
Xa ungavela uthi age yakhe.
okay andithi angamzala umama
Angamdlali mamakho.
yakutshela
Akazali mamakho. That's a grandfather.
50 something umama bra 30 something another 30 something yena una I'm 20 guys 20 Yalingana nani lokho endlini. Ngiyachoke. Yeah, I think angamzali. Yeah. So lapha labona khona item.
That's correct.
Next question.
Wow.
Sitting a worst experience or sitting a best experience.
Wow.
Ape experience be right. Umjola apha wo.
Qale ngayo.
Hayi ngibhale ngayo nje. Yo, I get her.
Qale ngayo.
Take best.
Let's go to
Qale
the
ngebest is such a waste.
best sexual experience.
Sexual.
Yeah, best sexual
Oh, in Jesus Christ. Bound it.
Okay.
The West.
Ma whoa, second wait.
The West.
Anazi between.
Let's take a break.
Must rock.
Okay, moving on, Trent. What's your worst sexual experience? Yeah.
Uyabona like labo guy laba abazitshela ukuthi bayibona.
Kanjani?
Laba like bama iPhone ba. Yababona laba.
Crazy.
I get show it.
More specific base.
Like yababona like labafana laba abazitshela ukuthi like bayibona. So ngajoleka nomfana onjalo like okay like one funa ngipostwe yi-cousin yami.
Okay.
Futhi ngoye benza sana kuphuma apha MMS that time kangoNovember.
Uphume nini?
Ufuna MMS?
Yeah.
Akamazi ulicho.
Uzizo. Kanibala eqhamu wakhe.
Why did I even ask you?
Oh no.
Okay, it's fine. I think
Hey, Futek.
Listen.
Yay. Cheka ntombazana. Bayibo.
Okay, yes. Okay, cut it down. It's okay. I think I don't know because in a chill and that's it. Literature, yeah.
Engene mbobeti.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah. It's okay. Abafana wethu like basically bababo okay. Yeah, bona wethu. Okay. Angifuneka. Angibuli on yenzana kwi status sika nathi. Okay. And and before they like because not guys know okay I'm telling you that okay it's fine again. Okay, I was single. Get that question.
Comfortable, John. Comfortable.
I'm an winner. You might.
Okay,
Sit down.
No hesitation.
I apologize.
yeah, but they got at it. Come here,
I'm good.
It's a game, guys. I was in the so okay.
It's fine.
Okay. It's like Malasena, you know, the picture. I said, I don't know. But I wasn't like picture.
Be like
okay, I'm your type here, but send you like, am I your type, Mama? It's fine, you can. It's fine. Let's see. It's fine. Okay, it's fine. Okay, fine. So it's fine. Nigga, number. I am doing small. Then like sa jola inyanga like sibonana. Uhlala think kungawusuka apha usiya kwabo ungawusuka apha usiya Emanaba.
Okay, short.
Ay!
Vichane, but it's fine.
Ay.
It's fine.
From here to Manaba. Okay, from a mall, perhaps guys, to Manaba. What are you?
Being short.
Okay.
Money, the paper account. Okay, yeah. I guess it's just like, you know, I'm at the bad boy. I'm dear, probably more. I'm right. Can you write it? Like, he's the best kisser ever because I'm going to express it like kiss. How does that? Okay.
Since he's the best kisser, Luangogu, Umnamesa Ngogu.
I feel good. But go back to like, I don't have a boyfriend.
The brother saying this
Hey,
one.
okay. Who X1? I feel it good. Okay, then I was like, okay, fine.
Moving on.
Okay. So I woke up to the kitchen. I know what the do my hair and so up. Like Sophie available again. One of us no available right. 15 now. Land the list. No, like the case. Right, like he's the best. He's on fun. There's a face.
I was like, "Bring her
Water flow.
Gotta pay.
Okay.
Must buy.
Listen. Mama landlord. I remember it does a got pango 1, 2.
I mean, okay.
And you will like type a tag but I get going to the there.
Special guy.
I mean, like it, not always like whatever.
Yeah.
Midnight stereo.
Yeah.
Midnight stereo.
Yeah, Kubetum.
I am say it's not different. I was paying. Ah! Since the English love. Yes.
Ah, itu.
It's my brother. If only I'm ilapa, they stop if the mega is like if I just you guys if only I'm mega up.
Okay.
I bet some of them know some way. Okay. Yeah.
Masa ka bicho.
Oh, mas isso não daí, falou meio que me.
How friend Chingilingi?
Uganje? Uganje?
At least ingcono kawulomni wami uzostudio. Uthixo bra unawe ba uyayazi. Bra wakhona umfana phezulu kwami ndabenzini. Ya ixesha ngabani? Lugodu.
So qali.
He's sweating, bro.
Bra ubona like we enjoy it like enjoy. Umsizele umuntu.
Umsizele. Uthule wena mjongile.
Ithuleka mathanga. Kanti oh, mina mfana wa. Listen, I mfana waqabela. Ifona ngiyayiphuthela zibra ixesha uma ngabe ixesha.
Score 100 million.
Jona akanakanga umfana uqabekile amehlo akhe is like bofethu.
Uyarola man.
Undertaker mfethu.
Opposo ba.
Try like it.
Wow, nanti.
Makapisi club.
Condom, obviously.
Yo, mavela uthi kaloku
Zanga ingqondo nobeyifaka noba wayeyenza kuba nje ndingaboni.
Yo.
Uyavela umen.
Hayi bra, enyanke guys.
Wow.
Just after
Even namhlanje andikamthethisi kwayena. Afike ngavela shut up. Wabuza ba ufike njani? Shut up. Namhlanje indlela awayiphapha yona. Yebo. Indlela ayiphapha yona. Benzela bake noba mhlambe sithi yo hayibo la nomuntu yo waphela. Akaphelanga ingxaki pha kuyo. Bye, next question.
What's your body count?
Kona
4.
times 3
Shout out to you.
minus by 1.
Explain to me. Okay.
I'm informed.
Before.
Okay, as many
If you smash someone in the first game.
Under what?
In the first game.
Who's that going on?
Yeah, yes or no?
Yes.
Bro, was.
Stool.
What do you
But like, why especially siyami?
Hey, ma. Ngoku eyenza nawe ibikhona like isapho.
Isingazi besakhona.
support.
Was he Zulu?
Oh, nigga. Oh, let's not try.
You know?
No, it's a Porto from Pizzana.
So yeah, Olu, you quiet.
Right, why?
Yellow flash.
No, like why?
Okay.
Why you now la way, bruh? That's why situma aga.
No, like to me, and this one to Olukileyo, like I say, but like Usane,
Ucho banga lo xesha.
Don't leyo. I but we can't talk along. Guys, no God.
Throw me? Yeah, sure, no.
Ivakala nje isikhumba.
Hey, Baran.
Yeah, but we look.
If I will come with that, I'm sorry.
Ibe khona.
Okay, fine. Papa game like
December. 25 November, bhuti bayangena bonke.
Puma 5 January.
Yo.
So we've discussed the worst.
What's your base? Yeah. The
Yeah.
base. Born by one orgasm.
Ngane-judge.
We can see.
Ngane-judge. When it's like, hey man, like, okay. Then could go over there, get your brother. Couldn't handle that. Close as
Asazi. Hey. The heavens gate.
Exactly. Okay, like okay, Linda Nisos. Uchitha ke like konke mazana xa ibone mos ayizozimdini.
Uchitha kuntomazana.
Okay. And probably
Wait. Utheni the squirt?
Yeah.
What squirt? Okay.
Okay. Then khona ukuba like guys,
When waqala ukuba uyive ngabantu
Yes.
until you happen to do
Yes.
okay.
Bangathi dipha guys. Lekude. Ufana phezu wangithi go down. I don't know even wait.
Sniper position.
Okay.
Shout out to Marco. Present.
Enough consent, man.
Yeah, enough madoda.
It's serious. As a female, as some female, as a female, some women, as a woman, as a lady, you know what some challenges are common as a wesifazane like South Africa. You know,
From your perspective.
As a female.
If you feel like
It's your own personal.
Do you feel like there's a privilege for certain males, for males both, like, that about this father? Do you feel like izinto abantu besilisa abanazo into ebithola uba mhlawumbe ngoba eyindoda yabo lona amathuba athile.
Yeah, whether it's position emsebenzini.
Ngeke ngicela ngiphansi aqale phansi umbalisi andikuva qala phansi.
Magic water zidlala enhloko.
Ufila ngathi ba
Hayi
akhona amathuba acola ngabantu
idlala enhloko.
abantu besilisa kuphela ubona ba yazi nomuntu wesimanje ayichole
Yeah.
njengantoni nje
Like yabona like lento like yokuphatha. Yes, it's like yabona like upresident wethu.
It's in cupcake.
Okay.
It's in cupcake.
Cupcake.
Okay. It's like lento yokuphatha wethu like kwamadoda.
ufila ngathi kube khona female president for a change.
Njengo Angie Motshekga.
You Right ngamasosha wakhe. Education nebeyiphethe iqaleni hayi.
Sizobulawa. So actually, do you feel like ngabangcono abakhona umongameli
What does the age?
Exactly, bra. Because ngiyabona ngoku bra is like ngoku. Andiyazi noba kuba mhlambe abantu abangotata abe understand into like rape. Rape it's not like ikazibo into ebuhlungu. But I think if bekuthiwa ngumuntu like ongumama ozoyazi ba injani. Yabo. Ngaba khona umehluko. Yabo. But ngoku basiphethwe ngumuntu ongutata
ungayazi ba injani.
So I think like guys like mali children.
Government bethe la shafule khona.
So you feel like rape phela ke abantu besifazane.
Nalanto like yoba like abantu besisa babulale ama like bra guys ngiyazi noma nayiva. So sentsho ku rape ba uve umuntu okuthiwa umama obulale umuntu ongutata. Kuzoba sithi like esibulawayo sithi like siyoyika nokoyika nje ngoku.
So actually do you feel like abantu besifazane documentary kakhulu compared to abantu besilisa because abantu besilisa bayabulawa nje.
But akufani. Thina bona like before like siyifene bese rape rape.
So we talk about GBV.
Can I ask us this thing?
Yeah, I think
Since uthi wena uthi have you ever experienced that?
In my GBV, if it's not GBV.
You've never.
I never, but like.
But
Do you feel like GBV is only something
but
that
like,
women experience?
Okay, and now we drop.
Okay.
You know, and doesn't matter even like my family.
Okay.
When I was 5. Okay, it's fine.
Yeah,
Okay, it's fine. Okay.
Yeah, you don't have to say
and
that.
doesn't hurt you, but like cliche.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Okay, but you.
So when we teach GBV, into experience about mama.
Yeah.
In most cases, cool.
Yeah.
I agree with that.
Like,
Because you can't say so meaning in GBV. What is GBV to you?
yeah, and don't be people.
No, you feel like even the Kazakama or.
No, like,
Gender based.
what does it mean? Uwe, like,
Because I'm going to attack up
Into
because of the gender. that you
in don't
are.
go kahle.
Into gender-based violence. Like
how would
uyibona kanjani wena?
Uyibona kanjani? Ungayidescribe kanjani wena?
So, I don't know what to
Wait, can I just ask a question? What do you think triggers a man to actually hit a woman?
Yeah.
Dog.
Opinion.
For my side, I wouldn't know.
There are other videos about
Stop in the
Shaban
moves
Besfazane.
of that.
Okay,
Mau.
before engagement.
Snatch.
What triggers a male to actually hit a woman?
Indonesian indoda kuba ibethu phansi.
Yeah.
Mina ngithi ubugwala.
Mame, not umkwala.
No, sibuza nani?
Let her speak her part. Let her speak.
Chaza sonke ma-out, achaze one ngawani.
Yeah, let her speak.
Uyazixelele like why ne? Because icheri ne isuke say experience mhlawumbe okay not man say experience but like sayibone khulukhulu bra kuba abantu like amadoda asebabetha kakhulu abantu besifazane ne. So la mhlawumbe let's say omnye umuntu like akayithandi ukuzana intikaka anintonga.
But get your no, listen like but yabona nozama ukuyithetha. It's not like why thina ngasibithi kuqala before better.
Because like sinqila nabo abasibethi tu.
Why uzoqala ngawe? Ashiye thina behleli nayo better wena endlini.
Qala ngathi. Umuntu ungamgila umthi xolisa yamgila xolisa yena qala.
The way I would describe it, bubugwala.
Yeah.
I've witnessed that. Yeah, bubugwala. Wegamanya madoda who are in front of you.
Yeah.
Bese uzoleqela umfazi wakho or icheri yakho esendlini. That shows uba uligwala wena as umjida lo betha umfazi. Not that you feel some type of way, but uligwala. Why uzothi wena xa uzoshiya thina si groove eklabhini or a tavern or wherever apha sikhona.
Kaloku awungumuntu wami wena ndifuna owaya or ngabanithi.
But like I didn't uthi.
What?
No, excuse yakho is benqilile. Okay.
Ah,
Unqiliwe ngoqala
better for a reason because khona listen.
So uzama ukuthi
no reason.
umfazi imbaselile.
Okanye mhlambe ayenzi wena oyenzile kum ne enibaseleyo.
Oh, that, no, I understand that reason yakho. Ndizama ukuba ndifike kuyo ukuba ifika kuloo nto ukuba asithi okay like umjita ufikile like okay asithi umjita uhambile ne ulande ngizitsho zakhe bahamba bayosela umjita bene-expectations kuwo xa sebuya endlini ngoba hayibo mntana ubuya phekile yonke loo way sefika endlini hayi ophekanga so ngathi uba ukubethela loo nto but ayenzi sense kwaye nayo loo nto ukuba waye kubetha hayi angakubuzi nje kakuhle ukuba ekuse theni ungaphekanga
Abanye abantu bane-issues guys like
akuzoyenga ngisho hayi ayikho yonke
Nampethe umuntu xa ngafika kum azondichazela kuba after esenzile something ezongicela kuba
azothi bekunxilile
benxilile. That's not an excuse, bro.
hey khona
You know exactly what you're doing, mawuzonxilile.
very
yeah
There's something that Uscebo used to say about Utwala, bra.
thoughts.
Thank you. You just said it. A sober man's thoughts is a drunk man. A sober man's thoughts is a drunk man's.
words.
Yes.
Superman's thoughts.
Yes.
Why ugijima khuluma kahle akho
But you know what I'm saying. Yeah, you know what I'm saying.
Yeah, catch point.
Yeah.
guys
So there's Machita, there's no excuse for to ngabetha umfazi, bra.
okay
It's not nice, it's not sexy, it's not masculine. Don't do it.
GBV
Don't do it.
yayihlaba njenge Orlando Pirates.
Speak of that.
Guys, do you okay?
maye ngicela ukuthetha
I
phakathi
know
hayibo
good read it's like
khe ngicela ukuthetha yebo hayibo
Thetha mfethu.
braz khona into endiexperiencile kule veki esiphuma kuyo engayiqondi bakho Z like
I know he's going
so bekungensi live on TikTok
Wednesday.
Wednesday
Don't remember the date, but it was Wednesday.
yeah I think you see after Wednesday konke enzekile kwithomi zami bendizikhonze kakhulu bendizikhonzile because I think I received a message on Thursday or Friday I don't remember engixelela omnye usisi uba hayi i-friendship yethu uyithandile kwathini but she feels like we drifted nani yabona we wathi ke hayi uyandikhatha off ke namhlanje but akathongo but bendiyibona uba yi-cut off
Yeah.
akhathwa off hayi ndingayinaki yena ithi it's fine kufika omnye usisi ndingena xa ndabona ku-WhatsApp yabo I was like hey man lo muntu uqubule kudala ukuposta yabo ndithi hayi man phuma ngene Instagram there's a follow button I was like hayibo kanjani because I'm even following ngokukhona follow button I was like okay I know it's fine this screenshot lewe ndisende ku-WhatsApp andisenda ku-WhatsApp hayi kwamba i-TK1 hayibo sithini ndingene profile picture gone profile picture
Wow. Birthday boy. Wow.
Answers.
I'm in an alleged relationship
Alleged.
Whoa, okay.
Yan pika.
Okay.
Akampiki no, Khaled.
This is cure in a way.
On a public platform.
I'm in an alleged relationship
Okay, it's like
I'm gonna take a shot to
being in a
that.
relationship, why does that trigger you? Do you think like
because to
Do
me
you miss the friendship?
not really dog
so why
On Chicarisha, no, it's super.
I am Chikarishi I want like clarity uba
when you planning to smash them?
yeah closure boy closure
Your parents smashed, boy.
nah
That's only friendship, man.
yeah
Strictly platonic.
yes
No feeling whatsoever.
You've never tried.
But it happens.
You've never wanted to try.
Zange.
My first, so
As if
On that note, guys, okay.
mention names.
Alright, when cut off.
disappointed.
On that note, guys, thank you for watching.
Sonda Sessions.
Episode what? 6.
6.
So sick.
Yeah, actually, we were lucky that we were not.
Shit. Hate it.
Yeah.
Right.
So, guys, our guest today, this is Asekona Kubevu. You can find her on
TikTok. I don't have Facebook. I don't
oh no Facebook. Okay,
Facebook
Instagram.
now.
Wait, on our Facebook.
Instagram. Oh no.
Hey, go back. Okay, I'll tell you.
Bakufuna TikTok. Okay, nizomfumana TikTok bras. Akanayo enye social ngaphandle kwawo.
Okay, maybe.
I am. Is it underscore or at? Okay, I'm at.
Yes, wrong.
It's at Makubevu. It's MA.GU.Bevu. Love you.
Abazoyibamba lonto.
Okay, look at my bambe.
Okay.
Say pause.